Okay, so I've ironed my waistband in half all the way around so the raw edges meet. And my centre back seam is open. And now I need to do the stitch line for the paper bag finish to hold the elastic in place. So remember, we did 2.5 centimeters, which is here, for the top of the paper bag. Then we need 3 extra centimeters for the elastic itself, and then 1 centimeter for seam allowance. So I'm just going to turn that around so the fold is on this side, because I'm going to work out where 2.5 centimeters sits on the machine. So 2.5 is here, so it is just before this dot here. It doesn't go to 2.5, the needle plate, the markings. So what I'm going to do to get that measurement, I'm going to stitch. Actually, a really good way of doing it is lining up your fold with the black line of the little button. So I take off the bobbin housing cover. Okay, so I'm going to stitch all the way around, lining up my edge with that the whole way. When you're doing this, make sure you keep the 2 layers nice and flat. Okay. If you don't keep them nice and flat, they could start to move and become wrinkled and lose their shape, which you've ironed into them. And I'm also pulling this quite tight, which helps in keeping it flat as well. Now I'm going to start pulling from the back and the front. Again, just another way to keep it nice and flat as you stitch around. And I'm getting back to where I started, which is at the seam, the centre back seam. And so here I can do my reverse stitch. Take up lever up. Okay, so that is what you need to do to prepare the paper bag finish. Yeah, so I'll do this as a separate video. For those who are doing a normal waistband, they can skip to the next one.